Introducing Thornton Place, a luxury apartment offering unparalleled sophistication and breathtaking 270-degree views of the Sydney Harbour. Designed by the renowned Madeline Blanchfield architects, this expansive 265 square metre residence on level 11 combines tranquil elegance with stunning vistas, stretching from the Harbour Bridge and Opera House to North Sydney and the Heads. Perched in a prime location at Darling Point, the apartment offers the perfect vantage point for spectacular panoramic views. Meticulously redesigned for seamless integration with its surroundings, the living space is a haven for relaxation and entertaining. The open-plan design features a gourmet kitchen with a central island, butler's pantry, and custom-built cocktail bar perfect for hosting guests. A luxurious dining area includes a bespoke travertine table that comfortably sits 12, ideal for both casual and formal gatherings. The apartment boasts 4 generous bedrooms, all with captivating views. The master suite is a private retreat, offering dual walk-in robes and a marble ensuite with a rainfall shower and twin vanities. 3 additional bedrooms, one with an ensuite, provide ample space and comfort for all. 3 beautifully appointed marble bathrooms, a guest powder room, and a well-equipped laundry complete the home. With a focus on luxury and quality, the interiors feature a combination of travertine and timber finishes. Secure parking is provided with 3 car spaces and a storage room. The building itself offers a park-like setting with manicured gardens, a sparkling pool, and an on-site manager ensuring a serene and exclusive lifestyle. Located just moments from McKell Park, the cruising yacht club, and the vibrant Double Bay Village, Thornton Place offers the ultimate in luxury harbourside living.